Last week, the stock market suffered significant losses, and investors are concerned about what will happen when markets open this week due to concerns that the S&P 500 would experience a significant drop. As the Federal Reserve's benchmark interest rate was raised by 50 basis points to combat rising inflation, it's possible that the central bank has begun to see its massive policy blunder. Investors on Wall Street flew into a state of panic. Thursday was the largest single-day stock market crash ever recorded, and it occurred at a time when stock prices had already fallen significantly since the beginning of 2022. Many signs are suggesting that this is the beginning of a truly historic stock market collapse, with trillions of dollars still on the threshold of collapse. If you want to make money in the stock market, you need to know when to get out of the business. On Thursday, all the main indices were hit with a nasty shock, and this shift in investor attitude is currently manifesting right in front of our eyes. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished the day down 163 points, or 3.12%, at $32,997.97. After plummeting 3.56% to 4,146.87, the S&P 500 finished the day at its weakest level since November 2020. The nasdaq composite, which is heavily weighted in Czech companies, plummeted 4.99% to 12,317.69. In terms of a single day, these were the worst declines we've seen since 2020. Stocks were melting up just days prior to the flash crash, a term used to describe the moment when indices are heading lower. But some barbel companies are still being pushed up as speculators anticipate greater losses on Wednesday. Indexes made significant gains, only to give them all back and some more in the following trading session. 4.4%. Microsoft's revenues declined by 7 points. 1/5 Apple's share price fell 5.6%, while several e-commerce companies saw losses that were far greater. Etsy and eBay both fell 17% and 17% after reporting lower than expected revenue forecasts, respectively. Even while I was expecting some kind of a sell-off, I wasn't prepared for the sheer amount that Shopify has dragged down its stock. In contrast to Blaine, Kim Forrest, the founder and chief investment officer of Bouquet Capital Partners, is this capitulation. I know what capitulation feels like. This kind of feels like capitulation when everything, even the excellent names, are getting baffed out. In contrast, we've all known markets that have been struggling for months, and we've been waiting for positive signals to resume the upside. The economy will slow down if people have lower real earnings and their savings are squeezed, even if they are Robinhood traders. The simple realization that interest rates will not be normalized without a negative impact on growth and earnings prompted investors to flee the market, according to Blaine, portfolio manager at Kingsview Investment Management. If we look at recent trends, we see that rapid declines can sell off wave after wave of forced selling, and when stocks reach this point, there's no turbulence. In a stock market crash, momentum plays a major role, and when all indicators are showing negative results, it becomes a chain reaction as players begin to question why the market is falling. As they lack information, they wonder what others might know, and their core beliefs are shaken. Their core beliefs are magnified and concerns are magnified, and fear triggers selling pressure, which causes the herd to a stampede. A few weeks ago, he projected that the S&P 500 would fall to near 4,000 and that the nasdaq would have its worst month since the 2008 bankruptcy. Also properly predicted that the closer we got to 4,000 weird attractor level, more aggressive selling would occur. Hartnett compiled some important data. During the past 140 years, we have observed 9 bear markets with an average price fall of 37.3%. This bear market would last till October 19th. If it were today's bear market with the S&P 500 at 3,000 and the nasdaq at 10,000, if previous performance isn't always a predictor to future performance. While you're at it, feel free to share this message with your loved ones and turn on the notification bell so that you'll always be aware of the latest news from us. For more such informative videos, subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you in the next video.